Today we are going to introduce the hubcaps for Ford Transit of the Nilight. Let's take a look together now. Open the box. You can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on it. Includes 4 16-inch wheel covers, compatible with Ford Transit 150, 250, 350, 350 HD, T, 150, T, 250, T, 350, T, 350 HD, from 2015 to 2025. This is a unique snow style with an exquisite silver glitter spray finish, adding a sleek look to your car. These are 4 adjustable retaining rings that snap into the back of the wheel hubcap. Choose Nilight wheel caps to protect your wheels and make your car more attractive.